Hi, everybody. Hope you are having a good Easter. Had a good one yesterday. I'm recording this on Sunday, so it's their first thing Monday morning. We are halfway through the 8-week module, so hang in there. Things are going well. It's taken me a little while to get everything graded, so I finished grading yesterday for Module 3 materials. So let me know if you have any questions about my feedback. This week we're looking at managing teams and conflict management, which these two topics go together. So because if you've ever worked in a team, there's often conflict that comes along. So we know that teams need to work together effectively. There was a module in your Essentials 1 class about teams and conflict management. So we're going to expand on that a little bit with this module, as well as adding in the journal for the week. So your module materials, chapters 9 and 10 in your textbook. There are some materials related to the leadership principle for the week, empowering others. So use those to help you respond and think about the issue for your journal assignment. So the discussion board this week is based on teamwork. So did you know that the Mayo Clinic uses teamwork? So this is an online case about the Mayo Clinic. There are lots of different things to click through and people actually talking to you about their experience using teams at the Mayo Clinic. So get in and take a look and then come back and post your analysis of the Mayo Clinic and their use of teamwork here. And then be sure to respond to at least 2 other posts. So the written assignment or the individual assignment for the conflict chapter, I'm focusing on negotiation. So if you're not actually needing to negotiate a higher salary, go ahead and use this approach to planning a negotiation for a house or a car or whatever it is that you need to negotiate. So 7 steps to negotiating a higher salary will work for any kind of negotiation. So that's your individual assignment. And then the journal for this week is about empowering and holding others accountable. So there's an example of what Marriott is doing. So review that. And again, you don't have to watch the whole thing. So go into 26 minutes into the video to watch the part where they specifically talk about empowerment. Then evaluate your own organization, job, and manager. Are they empowering you? And then do you empower others? So that's it for this week. Let me know if you have any questions. Talk to you soon.